Hi everyone, this is Ravi Shankar and today we are going to learn how to configure centralized log server in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6. So the objective is there will be centralized log server and there will be a client machine. Whatever will be the log of client machine, that will be forwarded to the server machine. So for this purpose I have two machines, that is log server and log client. So let's see what is the name of log server. Log server name is server 1. So this machine will act as a log server, and log client, let's see what is the name of this machine, station 1. So on this machine whatever will be the logs, that log will be forwarded to the log server machine. So in order to configure centralized log server, we need to install the package like let me see the package. What is package name? Package name is Syslog GNU TLS. So see whether this package is installed or not. And one more package is required, that is GNU TLS utils. See, both the package is not installed by default. So first let's see what is function of Syslog GNU TLS and what is function of GNU TLS utils. So I am writing yum info Syslog GNU TLS. So see, the description is summary TLS protocol, that is transport layer security protocol, support for Syslog. So the Syslog GNU TLS package contains the Syslog plugins which provide the ability to receive the Syslog message via upcoming Syslog transport layer security standard protocol. So this package is required on the server machine as well as on the client machine. And another one is GNU TLS utils. This package provides a program, that is cert tool, which will be used to generate certificate. So see, if we will install this package GNU TLS utils, it will provide a tool, that is cert tool. See, cert tool is not there by default. See, cert util is there, cert monger is there, cert master get cert is there, but cert tool is not there. So first we need to install this package. So I am writing yum install Syslog GNU TLS and GNU TLS utils. Say the total download size is 126 KB. I am hitting yes. See, the package is being installed. Now there should be, if I am writing now cert and I am hitting tab key, see, cert tool is there. So this tool is used to generate the certificate. So first let's see the documentation of this log server. So the documentation is there inside /usr share doc. Just hit the enter key, and here you need to just do a search for Syslog. I have just pressed Ctrl F and I have written here Syslog. So Syslog is there. Now here, see, these are the HTML help files. So I am selecting the files, that is TLS cert CA. See, here is a description, setting up CA. First we will set up CA, that is certificate authority. So how you will create certificate authority? See, the steps is completely mentioned in the documentation file. So you can go through complete these steps. So what I'm doing, I'm just opening my terminal and I'm taking help from here as well. I'm just creating a directory that is cert. You can create any directory. See, the directory creation is not required. See, there is some files. I want to separate the certificate. So I'm going inside the certs directory and now I will create the certificate. So I'm writing ls-l. See, there is no any files inside this directory. So now I am just copying this line and pasting it here. Now see, there is one file that is CA key, certificate authority key PAM. With the help of this, now we are going to generate self-signed certificate. The self-signed certificate name will be ca.pam and it will use ca-key PAM to generate ca.pam. So I am just hitting enter here. So it's prompting for some question. Country name, I am writing India. Organization name, I am writing here ABCD. And organization unit name, I am writing East Delhi. Locality name, I am writing Delhi. State, I am writing Delhi. Common name may be anything, so I am writing Ravi Shankar. Just hit the enter key. See, the complete help is there. I am hitting enter. Again I am hitting enter. The certificate will expire in how many days? So there is 3650. I am writing 365. That means this certificate will expire after 365 days. It's saying, does the certificate belong to an authority? I am writing yes, this will belong to an authority. And now let me scroll down the page. Now next, just hit the enter key. Just follow the steps. Is this a TLS web client certificate? Just hit the enter key. Again hit the enter key. Now enter the email of subject of the certificate. So you can specify any email address. I am writing Ravi Shankar 1jan @gmail.com. I am hitting enter. Now it's saying, will the certificate be used to sign other certificate? Surely this certificate will be used to sign another certificate as well. So I am writing yes. And now it's asking, will the certificate be used to sign CRLs? No. So I am just hitting enter here. And at the last we need to hit enter. Just hit enter. Now is the above information okay? If everything is fine, hit Y here. So now see, there is a two files, that is ca-key.pam and ca.pam. So now it's saying execute this command so that the other user will be not able to read your ca-key PAM file. So I'm writing chmod 400, that is read only permission for owner ca-key.pam ls-l. See, there is a two files, ca-key.pam and ca.pam, and in my case there is two files. So we have generated the certificate authority and ca-key.pam file. Next one is generating machine certificate. That means we are going to generate a certificate for the client machine. So for this purpose there is a steps. We need to follow this step. So I am copying this line and pasting it here. So now if I am executing ls-l command, see, there is a new file, that is key.pam, and with the help of key.pam we will generate a request.pam. So I am copying this line and pasting it here, and country name in India, organization name I am writing ABCD, organization unit name I am writing East Delhi, locality name I am writing Delhi, state Delhi, common name. See, here you need to define the machine name. I am writing, in my case, machine name is, let's see what is machine name. Station 1, just let me execute the host name command. Station1.example.com. Station1.example.com. UID, need not to supply the UID information. Just hit the enter key. Now it's saying, does the certificate belong to an authority? No. Next, just hit the enter key. It's saying, is this TLS web client certificate? Is this yes, this is a client certificate. Is this also a TLS web server certificate? Just hit the yes. Now, see, there will be one more file, that is request.pam. Now, with the help of request.pam, we are going to generate one more file. That file name will be, see, the out file is cert.pam. Now there will be one more file, that is cert.pam. See, cert.pam is not there. Now I am writing this, I am hitting just enter. Again I am hitting enter. The certificate will expire in, I am writing 365 days. 365. And see, now I am hitting enter. Do you want to honor the extension from the request? Just hit enter here. Does the certificate belong to an authority? No, this certificate does not belong to an authority. Is this TLS web client certificate? Yes. Is this also TLS web server certificate? Yes. Now enter a DNS name of subject of the certificate. Ensure that here you are mentioning the client machine name. In my case, client machine name is station1.example.com. Next, what it's saying, just hit the enter key. It's saying, is the above information okay? Just hit Y. And now let's see. There is one more file, that is cert.pam. So now we have generated the certificate.pam file. Now it's time to delete the request.pam, because now there is no any requirement of request.pam. So I am deleting request.pam file. Now let's see the ls happen and see the output looks like the same. There is a 4 file, that is CA. Yeah, there is a CA key pam, ca.pam, cert.pam, and key.pam. Now it's saying rename the certificate.pam and key.pam. So I'm writing mb cert.pam machine. My machine name is station1-cert.pam, and renaming the key.pam to station1-key.pam. So now see, there is a ca.pam station1, cert.pam station1, key.pam. Now there is no any requirement of ca key.pam. We need to provide all these 3 files to the server, and we need to provide ca.pam file to the client machine. See, it's already mentioned here. Distribute file. Provide the machine with a copy of ca.pam, cert.pam and key.pam. So what I'm doing, I'm just creating a directory. I'm going to create a directory inside etc directory. Ensure that you have created directory inside etc. You can write any name, but I am writing name cert. You can provide any name, but ensure that you have created the directory inside /etc directory. And now I am going to copy the files, that is search. Inside search there is station 1 inside etc search, and I am going to copy the ca.pam inside search as well. Now let's see, the file has been copied. So this file should be there inside this directory. Now next one is, we need to set up a centralized server. We have generated the files. Now we need to setting up the central server. So for this purpose, we need to create a file with any name, but the sample is syslog.conf. So I am creating a file inside our syslog.d directory with the name of syslog.conf, and just copy all these lines from here. Let me do copy and paste inside this file. And here you need to change some parameters, like where is your certificate file. So we have kept the certificate file inside etc search directory. In the same manner, there will be etc search, and the machine name is, in my case, station 1. This is cert.pam, and here the key.pam will be as well station 1, and this file is inside etc search directory. And here I am writing anonymous, that is anon, and we need to comment this line because this line is not required. And here I am writing the port number. The port number is 6514. I am saving this file. Now see, we have set up the centralized log server, but where the log message will go when the server 1 will receive the log message, so where it will keep the log message. So we need to create one more file, that is etc or syslog.d, and you can write any name, but ensure that the file name part must be .conf. So I am writing filter.conf, and inside this file I am writing from host. You can write here from IP as well. I am writing is equal, and then the client name. In my case, client name is station1.example.com, and where will be the logs? Where log message, where log, I am writing station 1. So it will create a directory station 1, and inside this there will be a station1.log. So it will automatically create a directory station 1, and inside the station 1 directory it will automatically create a station1.log file. And I am writing here from host, otherwise it will write the logs at two places. So I am writing is equal station1.example.com, and I am writing tilde. That means it will not write on their home directory, on their own system. So now I am saving this file. See, there is no any file inside where log station. See, there is no any file with the name of station st. Now I am starting the syslog service. rsyslog restart. Now see, there will be a file, there will be a directory station1.log. So let's see, I'm writing tlf var log station1.log. Now it's time to move to the client machine. So next one is setting up Syslog clients. So for this purpose, now we need to go to the client machine and we need to copy one file, that is ca.pam, which is inside this machine, and that is there inside search folder. We need to copy this file, that is ca.pam. So let me just maximize this so that now log will appear here. So now first we need to set up the client. So let's see whether the repository is working or not. I'm writing yum repo list. See, we need to configure the repo client. So I'm writing etc yum.repo.d. I'm writing ravi.repo. And here I am writing rel. You can provide any name. I'm writing name equal to Ravi Shankar, or I'm writing classroom. Base URL. I'm writing server1.example.com. Inside pub, I have created a folder with the name of rel64 and GPG check 0. Signature will be not verified. Now let's see whether the repository server is accessible or not. Let me first try to ping server 1. It's pinging. So now what is the issue? Base URL ftp server1.example.com pub rel64. So let me see whether what is the status of IP tables on this machine. IP tables F and L. So I am flushing the IP tables F and F, and I am saving it. Service IP tables save. Now let's see whether the client is able to access the repo or not. See, now we need to install here the package. I am writing yum install rsyslog gnutls. Only this package is required on the client side. Let the package be installed. Now we need to create a directory inside etc folder. I am writing search. You can write any name, and now I am going to copy the files from the server 1 machine. Inside server 1 machine, I have created directory search in root user's home directory, and there is a file ca.pam. So we need to copy this file to the client machine. So I am going to copy this file inside this directory. It's prompting, it's saying, are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Now I am supplying the password of server 1 root user. See, the file has been copied. Let's see. etc search. The file is there. Now let me open the Firefox, and then we will go through the documentation. So just hit the enter key, and I am pressing Ctrl F here, and I am writing rsyslog. Select the rsyslog folder, and here we need to select the client machine configuration help page. So there will be, see, there is a TLS sort client HTML. So here is a complete state. So I am just copying these lines, and I am creating a file inside rsyslog D directory. You can assign any name. I am writing station1 .conf. You can write any name, and I am pasting the information here, and here we need to only provide the certificate authority CAPAM file, so these are not required, so I am commenting it. Now let me provide the location of ca.pam, which is inside etc search directory, and then here I need to write here anon, and here we need to define the port number and the central server name. In my case, the server name is server1.example.com. Sorry, 65514. Now it's everything looks fine. Now even if everything is okay, and if I will start the service, it will send the log message. Let me show you. See, let me just do exit here. See, there is no any log message. Now if I am starting service, that is service syslog restart, it will send the message. Can you see the message is appearing? Let me check by sending some message, like I am writing logger, I am writing hi Susil. So this message should be there on the centralized server, so it's there. So now I am writing logger. We have learned how to configure centralized log server. Let's see. See, the message is coming. That see, here is a month name, that is timestamp. Here is the originating host name. Here is the program name and actual message. Because the message is sent, this is a normal message, that's why here is a root. Otherwise there will be name of service. Like see, here is a May, that is a month timestamp when the log was generated. This is a originating host name from where the log message is coming, and this is a program name which has generated this log, and this is the actual log message. And here is a root because I have just tested with the help of logger, that's why root is appearing here. So today we have learned how to configure centralized log server. So hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.